everyone! I am Jasmine
and Janine,
and welcome back to my YouTube channel! For today's video is I'm with my sister. So, karon na video is nakita man ninyo sa title na Spelling Challenge. Wala ko kahibaw sa iyahang gina-prepare nga mga words na wala pa siya kamasa ako. English words. English word ang among gigamit kay para ma-test ang among capability ability, basta ka na. So,
mga T.
Iingon lang namudaan nga, if ever galing nga na words na dili sakto ang pronounce. So, sorry kayo guys.
Bobo kami.
Amo lang i-test ang amo ang knowledge, among nakaibaw
Really,
sa spelling na ko. If you guys are excited,
just keep on watching.
A few moments later.
So by the way guys, kini nga spelling challenge is with a twist siya. If ever nga wrong ang imong answer, so butangan na mo lipstick ang nawong. So magbato-batupik ni no kinsa ang unang nga mangutangan. Bato-batong tik.
Mao ni ang first word na akong ipa-spell niya. With meaning ni siya ha. Charot. This word is psephology.
With meaning.
Psephology is the scientific study of elections. Psephology. Psephology.
S
10,
9
9,
FALOGY C
7,
I
6,
C I
5,
FALOGY Psephology
3, 2,
so to
1.
IPSY
Psephology. Tingnan ang lipstick.
Kabaos. Gamay ra.
Nose.
Gamay ra. Ha?
Cross.
Kasara pahid.
Ay, ewan mo.
Kasara ano ba? Turducken. Roast of a chicken inside a duck inside a turkey. Turducken. Roast of a chicken inside a duck inside a turkey. 10
TURDUCKEN.
2 1. Your answer is wrong.
Today.
The correct answer is TURDUCKEN. Turducken.
Sabi na ko na QUIN. Turducken.
So it's your time to shine.
Ay, dami sa mata.
Wala, oy. Wala pa gani.
Ay, sarap yung hilak.
Wala pa gani naman.
So, next word is meager.
Basta ang meaning.
Meager. Meager is a lacking desirable qualities such as richness or strength. Meager.
MEAGER. Meager.
Sa?
J nga goat, then ER. M as in mama, E as in ekaw, A as in ako, J as in goat, E as in ekaw, R as in
Check.
Next is kini sayo na kay ni siya. Bungalow. Bungalow is a cozy word for a specific type of house. Bungalow.
Bungalow. B-O-N.
10, 9,
Ay, sabi. B-O-N-G-A-L-O-W. Bungalow.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Balik ka na, balik.
B-O-N BUNGALOW.
Zero.
Bungalow.
Last, itarong ba? Tarong eh. Balik ka, be.
Really, nigga?
BUN.
Bobo talaga guys, ang bobo. This correct spelling. Ayaw, hindi na pwede. 10 na.
BUNGALOW.
Okay, so that's your final. So that's your final answer. So the correct answer of bungalow is BUNGALOW. Bungalow.
Uy, ang bungalow. Ang bungalow kay O.
You manggod. Nakipaglaris
Bungalow.
mo siya sa spelling. BU ba? Search BU.
Ay, gawas. BU.
Oh. Google na ni. Google na ang source.
Oh, lagi ko na ito, ano?
Hindi mo galing gamay. Ito mo ka o.
Ay, no. No. Sige. AEACUS.
Hindi mo kasi yung because. Balik ka daw.
AEACUS. AEACUS.
Agad. Yes.
AEACUS. AEACUS. AEACUS is a son of Zeus
Jesus. Dandiyan na siya. Ay.
who is given the Myrmidons as followers and becomes on his death a judge of the underworld. AEACUS.
Like ko siya mag-so.
Karma is real.
E-Y-E.
And yes, it really hurts. Ang mahalag.
Lagi sa to lagi. A-Y-E. AEACUS.
No?
Yes, AEACUS.
Far away. AEACUS.
Sa to lagi. E-Y.
10, 9, look, ba't ka ganihara? 8, 7,
A-Y.
6, 5,
E-Y-E.
4,
K-A-S. AEACUS. A nga Paul?
Yeah. C-U-S. AEACUS. Lipstick.
SHEEPLE. Questioning followers from sheep plus people.
SHEEPLE.
SHEEPLE. 10.
S-H-P.
9. 8.
Oh, S-H-I-P-P-L-E. SHEEPLE.
6.
Sakto?
5.
Sakto?
Four.
S-H.
3.
Really, nigga?
S-H-E-A-B-L-E. SHEEPLE.
1. Balik ka na. Final answer. Final.
S-H-E-A-B-L-E. SHEEPLE.
The correct answer is
Check!
S-H.
Oh,
E-E. Double E. Tay. P-L-E. SHEEPLE.
Isa, consider.
Wala consider nga na dahil mapit ang spelling nila na consider. Next. So, nakita niyo si Janine guys, ganyan siya kamadita. Mas madita pa siya sa akin.
Next. Eradicate.
Huh?
Ay lang eh.
Gusto mo yung
Eradicate. It's so easy. Oh my God.
eradicate?
Yeah.
Can you read the meaning?
Eradicate. To do away with us completely, as if by pulling up by the roots. Eradicate. Maliit na bagay.
E-R-I-C-A
10,
E-R-A
8, 7,
D-I-C-A-T-E eradicate
3, 2,
E
One.
ito lagi
balik ka lang.
E-R-A nga apple D-I-C-A-T eradicate eradicate ka
Nag-check na.
I'm right ko, guys. I'm right ko.
Really, nigga?
Munda ka. Muna yung mga sayon ha. Kanya.
next is kini sayo na jud kayo ni tagaan jud kay easy kay bubuk ayo guys. Misgendered. Misgendered, a person who was assigned the correct gender of the birth. Misgendered.
D with D?
Basta misgendered. Can you spell what I say?
Okay. M-I-S.
10,
Ay, sama. M-I-S.
9,
G-A-N-D-E-R-E-D. Misgendered.
5. Balik ka pa.
M-I-S.
3,
G-E-N-D-E-R-E-D.
2, 1.
Misgendered.
The correct answer is wrong.
So, misgendered man. FYKE.
What's a fake?
Next word is FYKE.
F-I-C-K. Easy.
Huh?
F-I-C-K or F-A-C-K?
No. FYKE is a long back net kept open by hoops. FYKE. FYKE.
F-A-C-K lagi fake. Or F-I-C-K.
9.
Oh
8,
no!
7.
F-I-K-I.
6.
F-I-E-K.
4. 3.
Fake.
2. 1.
This is spelling na. Fake. F-I-C-K.
FYKE. FYKE.
F-A-K-E. Fake. Fake ba lang piki?
Dili. Ang fake nga piki. Fake. Kani FYKE. FYKE. FYKE.
F-E-A-K.
Time na. So the correct answer is FYKE. FYKE. A long bag net kept open by hoops. FYKE.
So next ko.
Next. Ano na ba?
Kamayo na, bali na kayo.
Hindi ka meron ito.
Lisat kaya mga words.
Isa.
Pero kayo, madami na kong skin. Yesh. Yesh is expressing anyone's or disgust. Yesh.
Yesh.
10.
Y-E-S-H. Yesh.
8.
Yesh or yash?
Basta kayo.
Kani. Kano ba
Yesh.
pronounce?
Yes. That's a correct pronounce ko ba guys?
Y-E-S-H. Yesh.
Final answer. The final answer.
Y-E-A-S-H. Yesh.
So the correct answer is wrong. The correct answer is Y-E-E-S-H. Double E.
Oh no!
Y-E-E-S-H.
Oh.
Yesh.
Bobo.
Yesh.
Ang bobo guys, ang bobo. Diyan sa aking kamay. So that's it guys for our spelling challenge for So that's it guys for our spelling challenge for today. So I hope na na-enjoy mo sa mga spelling challenge bisan og vovo. Mga vovo. So
Vovo.
at least gina-try na mo ang
Vovo.
amo ang gina-test na mo
Among knowledge.
ang knowledge.
Kung gana pa ba, kay murag natayan ang yun siya.
Guys, for
Gago.
so that's it. So that's it guys for our video for today. I hope you enjoyed. Kaya kami nalingaw sa nalingaw kami. Miss, do you enjoy our vlog for today?
I didn't enjoy.
Oh my. So magdita ka na siya guys. Tagana na siya. Magdita na siya. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And subscribe sa sa ako ang
Reina Jeanine Scarf YouTube channel.
ako siya yung butang din sa obos.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next vlog. Bye!